Unlock the full potential of your visual data by seamlessly integrating Nano Banana's cutting AI into your own creations. Nano Banana's API is your gateway to automating complex image processing and unleashing upward enhancements within your applications, giving you unparalleled control and customization. Let's dive into how you can start leveraging this power first. You'll need to obtain your unique API key from the Nano Banana Developer Portal. This key is your credential, ensuring secure access to all of Nano Banana's functionalities. Once you have your key, you'll integrate it into your application's authentication. Process this typically involves sending your API key with each request you make to the Nano Banana servers. Next, familiarize yourself with Nano Banana's API documentation. This is your comprehensive guide to understanding the available endpoints, their parameters, and the expected responses. Think of it as your blueprint for building. Now, let's explore a common use case: image enhancement. You can send an image to the Nano Banana API and request specific AI-driven improvements, such as sharpening, denoising, or color correction, all through simple API calls. Beyond enhancements, the API allows you to automate repetitive tasks. Imagine automatically resizing and watermarking hundreds of images simultaneously, freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. The beauty of the Nano Banana API lies in its flexibility. You can build custom solutions tailored to your specific needs, whether it's for content moderation, automated tagging, or generating unique visual assets. Start building, start innovating, and transform your image workflows with the power of Nano Banana's API today.